All right, guys. Hey, I just realized that I forgot to add the copyright in the bottom of the in our footer area. So that was the copyright that if we look in the Photoshop document, um, the copyright that's right down here. So what I want to do is I'm going to go back to the source code, and in the source code, I'm going to find footer, and I'm going to type copyright. Actually, I'm going to type the code for ncopy, which is an entity, which you guys should know from the reading. But I'm going to do ncopy, which is December for copyright. And I'm going to say 2020. Actually, I'm going to say web demo 2020. So ncopy web demo 2020. What we should see is the C web demo 2020. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to go into our document, and I'm going to ncopy web demo 2020. I'm also going to make it a paragraph just because all right, so now I see that the copyright is showing up right here where it says copy 2020. All right, so what I want to do now is I want to go to the CSS. I want to actually target the footer. I'm going to say color white, just so that I can see what's happening. Or I could do hex code, which would be okay. So I see the ncopy 2020. So what I forgot, I'm going to go back to the source code, and I need to put ncopy semicolon 2020. And so now we'll see the copyright, okay? So what I want to do now is I want this text to be aligned to the center. So I'm going to say text align, center. Okay, so now the text aligns to the center. I want the font size to be a little bigger. So I'm going to say 120 pixels or percent. Okay. And I'm going to say, I kind of want this going down some. So I'm going to say padding top. And then I'm going to go big for a second just so that I can make sure it's listening, and it is. All right, so I'm going to say padding top, maybe 10 pixels, 20 pixels. And then what I need to do is I know that I added to that height. I have to subtract from the height so that I can get it looking probably decent. I'm cool with that. Maybe I'll make margin top 15. And then I might change the height to something like 72. Oh no, let me try 74, back to where it was. Kind of like that better. All right, so I wanted to make sure, and then I might even do a font variant. You guys know I love small caps, so I might do small caps for mine. Kind of like that, and give it a little bit of letter spacing. Maybe make it 0.2 m. Maybe a little smaller, 0.1 M. Yeah. Okay. And then I think the 2020 usually comes forward first. Might move that over a little bit. 2020 web demo. Maybe we'll give it some space. Okay. All right, and then I think at that point, up until I fix this transparency, but at that point we have everything that we need for the website. So I might be on here with another video to fix that transparency. But for now, this looks good for our website. So we shall see. We shall see. All right, I will. Oh, you know what I noticed? You know what else I noticed? Notice how, remember our image? It's coming up from, I think because we made it too wide when I put in that nav area. So let me see. Let me fix that while we're here. I think the original image size for that, if I look at the height was 96. So let's look at our nav. And the height now with that padding, and then we gave it a padding top of 16 pixels. So I definitely need to fix that image that's hanging out in there. You know, I'll fix that in another video. All right, so for now, that's really what I wanted to go over is that and copy, and then I did a little bit of styling to get this looking how we want it. Next, I want to do, I want to fix this transparency here, and I want to fix this area over here in the nav bar. All right, so I will see you in the next video. Ta-ta for now.